Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Pashvika. Welcome to GLOBO ARTE Magazine page channel where we make content for artists and creative entrepreneur. In today's video guys, I'm going to talk about getting my first sale on Teepublic. Now you will be thinking, wow, I have already made a video talking about getting my first sale on the Teepublic. Then why I'm making this another video guys? Well guys, that was for my first Teepublic shop and this is my second Teepublic shop. So I'm gonna break through how long it took me, how many designs I have uploaded, what was my strategies, and what are the different things that I did differently for my second shop and all this videos. So if you are interested then stick till the end of this video guys, and before going into the good part, hit the like button. I would really appreciate that. And also guys, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming related content like this. Now lately I started with my Teepublic first shop back in April and May, and then I hit my first sale. And when I was getting started with the Teepublic, I had zero experience. I wasn't knowing what I was doing. So that was the first shop, was a general shop. I was uploading so many designs in various different niches, kind of like testing the platform, what kind of keywords work, whether it's the text-based design, whether it's the textures, whether it's just the illustrations or simple graphics. Like I was testing all around the things with the different type of ideas and different types of graphics and niches and all that. Then I took really a break, like from started with the April and May, and then I was taking a look of what's working for me, what's selling on my first shop, so how I can replicate it or how I can start with the second shop and doing something different for the second shop and uploading the designs that is really a good quality, really high quality. Because from my experience with the Teepublic, I know that this type of design is working well for my shops. If I'm gonna upload more such designs or kind of like related to this, I'm gonna get the sales because I know it's selling for me. And if I'm just gonna replicate it, I'm gonna duplicate it, then obviously I'm gonna get the sales. So I took a year, like 6 to 7 months of complete research about my Teepublic own shop and learning from the platform. Although I'm still learning a lot guys, but then I really took 7 months to learn a lot. And in the December, I opened my second shop. Now in the second shop, I didn't upload the design until January. Why was that? Because I was focusing on my other projects. I was working on many different online businesses on the side. So I just opened up a new shop and I started with the new account in the December, but then I uploaded my first design on the second shop back in January. I took a time to actually assess how I'm gonna go with that, what would be my strategy, how many designs I'm gonna upload, and what type of designs I'm gonna upload, and keywords and title and description and all those things. And also guys, I have a free guide, 60 plus niches free guide for your own print on demand for your Redbubble shop right now. If you want to check that free guide, the link of this free guide description box below, you can download it completely for free. And free print on demand graphics, a complete bundle that is 40 plus 49 free graphics for you to use in your own, making your own print on demand designs. The link of that free bundle is in the description box below. You can download that free. So in the January, I uploaded my first design, and in the beginning of the first week of the March, I hit my first sale. And that first sale was a mask. Someone bought the mask and I got my first sale on my second shop in the March. I uploaded the first design in the January, so it wasn't that 2 months. I uploaded in the late of the January, so it was like 1.5 months. In that I got my first sale onto the Teepublic. Now despite the fact, if you are a new shop on Teepublic, or if you're someone who is new to the Teepublic, you might see that some of your designs are not showing up onto the Teepublic. That was the case for me guys as well, because when I was uploading a new design, I was completely new to that new shop. I started with that new second shop, so obviously my shop is new for that time, and I uploaded a few designs and my designs weren't that showing up. I just had to go through the Teepublic, sending them an email and telling them that my designs are not showing up for my second new shop, and like kind of like a back and forth with the Teepublic and sending them an email. And then they sent me to do certain things to show up my designs. And what I did, I uploaded a new icon, the shop cover, I added the artist bio, I completed my shop, like I optimized my shop well so that it's more visible in the search engine of the Teepublic. And that I did, and then my designs were showing up. So that's why it took me a long to hit my first sale in my second shop on Teepublic, because in the beginning my designs was not showing up, and it happens to people, guys. I've already made a video talking about how to show up your Teepublic shop or designs onto the Teepublic. If you want to check that video out, you can check in the card section above, guys. The same thing happened with me. My designs wasn't showing up when I was uploaded the new designs to that new shop. So I just emailed the Teepublic, and it took a week long, and then I kind of like back and forth making changes to my shop, adding the further details, and also making changes in my keyword, title, and description of my designs. So it took me long, and it took me 1.5 months to hit my first sale. So that's why now I'm going to talk about the strategies, what I did differently in my second shop. In my second shop, I think that I did differently was regarding the designs. I uploaded only that kind of designs that were selling for my first shop, because I know that this kind of design is selling for me on my first shop, and I know the strategy behind it. I know that if I'm going to upload the similar designs to my second shop and using kind of like similar keywords, I'm going to hit my sale. So that's what I did. I just uploaded only those designs which was similar to my first shop, because I know it's selling, and that was my own designs. I made that designs in the Photoshop, and it's my 100% original designs that I made. So I can make more of those designs for my second shop as well, and that thing. Another thing I'm going to talk about, how many designs were there, how many designs I have uploaded to get my first sale on my second shop onto the Teepublic. I only have 50 designs on my Teepublic second shop, and I hit my first sale. But back was in my first shop, I was having more than 100 designs. Then I hit my first sale in my first shop. But in the second shop, I got my first sale in just uploading 50 designs. So that was the strategy, that was my thinking, that was my research, because in the very beginning when I was getting started with the Teepublic with my first shop, I was completely new to the platform. I wasn't knowing what's working, what kind of keyword I need to use, what is the title, description. I wasn't really aware of that. So I took a research of 6 to 7 months with my first shop, and then I implemented those strategies with my second shop. And that, within uploading 50 designs, I got my first sale. Of course, it took me 1.5 months to hit my first sale, because in the beginning my designs were not showing up onto the Teepublic. I need to send them an email and did all those modification in my... I'm going to share some of my tips if you're a newbie to Teepublic. I'm going to tell you guys, in the beginning, you might see that some of your designs are not visible onto the Teepublic. I would really recommend for you to watch my video to see your designs, to get your designs visible onto the Teepublic. Send them an email, follow up, do all those things that they are telling you. That's my first thing. The second thing I'm going to tell you guys, do some research. Of course, you don't need to do research for months, for a year, and then you're starting with a shop. I'm not telling you to do that, but I'm telling you to actually do a research what kind of design is selling and what you can do with that. Because if you're just uploading randomly any design, just throwing it at the wall and thinking that it's gonna work, it might work, but you would be doing so much hard work and getting so little out of it. So it's better to do a research before actually uploading. That's my second thing. The third tip that I want to tell you guys is double down or replicate more of the things that is working for you. For me, the Photoshop textures work so well that one of my best sellers is a Photoshop texture. It's selling so well for me. So I am replicating more of it. I'm making more such textures, more such patterns in the Photoshop, kind of like related to the designs that are actually selling. So double down, replicate what's working well for you. You don't need to reinvent the wheel. You don't need to reinvent the new niches or new ideas. No. You just need to follow with the things that are actually working for you or for somebody else, and then hop up on according to it. The fourth tip I want to tell you guys, in the Teepublic, you get the 2 slots for your keywords. The one is the main keyword slot, and the second slot you get where you're gonna place your secondary keywords. So I would say use your primary keyword slot very well, which is kind of like completely related to your design. Even if you want to go into the sub niche and that is the keyword is too niche down, that's completely okay. But always use the related keyword in the primary keyword slot for the Teepublic that is completely related to your design. Don't just add any keyword out of random like the nature, like a flower, or no. If you are uploading a design that is related to, that is a purple flower, that is a purple watercolor flower, you are uploading design related to that, and then make sure you are using in your primary keyword slot as purple watercolor flower design. Write it down completely. Use a long tail keyword. Don't just type flower or don't just type watercolor flower. No. In the primary keyword slot, do your research and use a keyword that is a long tail keyword and completely related to your design, which is really going to help you a lot, because it was helping me a lot. And it's have for you in this video, guys, is consistency is really important. You need to have consistency. Of course, you don't need to upload massive designs a day that you might get your account suspended onto the Teepublic, because they have a limit. If you're uploading more designs onto it, they will gonna see that you're a spammer or you are a person who is spamming their platform. They might block you or they might suspend your account, so don't do that. But maintain a consistency. Like if you're uploading 2 designs daily, then do it on a daily basis. Don't just think that if I'm just gonna upload 4 designs today, then I'm gonna rest for the 4 days and then I'm gonna upload. No, don't do that. Just have a consistency schedule that's working well for you, and kind of like do it for a very long time to actually see the results that will going to tell you that this thing is working well for you. Kind of like do it and all that. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. Leave a comment below and let me know what you think about this. I would really love to hear from you in the comment section below. Thank you so much for tuning in today's video, guys. See you for the next time. Take care. Bye.